This is sneezing in a tank top on a Saturday night with Chhinkni powder. Ready? I'm gonna sniff real hard, like Mr. Dan sneezes when the mask went up his nose and nose hair tickles him. Just like Mr. Mark, my teacher, and Miss Emily, her allergies were bothering her in the fall and the spring, just like Savannah's. And Miss Amy's, all the staff in our hall, and students. Ready? I need a tissue or something. I'm waiting for my sneeze to come. I got the tissues right there. I got the tissues right there. I'm ready to sneeze. Like I said, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Ready? Wait for it. Now it's one. I gotta take one more. That was two. That was three. I'm snuffing it real hard with my nostrils. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze.
What are you doing?
I was snuffing Chhinkni powder. Watch. You take a Q-tip, snuff it up your nose like this. Watch.
You're gonna make yourself sick.
I have to blow my nose.